Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to assemble a Stanley Tumbler lid. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, this is the lid of my Stanley Tumbler, my Stanley water bottle, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. It comes with the lid over here. It comes with this little spinny piece right here. And then it also comes with this little rubberized piece that goes on the spinny piece. Now, it comes assembled, but if you wash it and you disassemble it, you gotta put it back together. So first and foremost, I'm gonna place the actual lid down, and I'm gonna use just the spinny plastic piece and then the little rubberized piece. Now, basically, to assemble it is very easy. You want to take the rubberized piece, okay, and you want to take these flaps of the rubberized piece and you want to sort of squish them together. And once you have them squished together, you're going to pop them in the hole of this part. And you can see this part is curved up. You want to pop them in from that side. So I like to start with this solid piece over here, okay? So we're going to squeeze those flaps together like that. And we're just going to get one flap in, and then we can work the other flap in. And then we're gonna kind of just sort of try and really get them in there. Once you get them in there, it's pretty easy to do, but it's just getting those flaps in there. So I'm really trying to squeeze them in there. As you can see, I'm trying to work the flaps in there. I got most of it in there. As you can see, I'm just trying to get this little piece. Like if I can pull this piece down over here, it'll be a little bit easier. Just like that, we got that piece down right there. I just got to get this piece under here and we're good to go. So I'm going to turn it over and we're just going to get that piece under there and we're good to go. So just keep prying it down there. Sometimes a little bit easier, sometimes a little bit harder, kind of all depends. But we're almost there nonetheless. We just got to get one little piece. There we go. So just there we go, straighten it out. So that piece is in place, okay? Next up, you got the little centerpiece. You're just going to press it into that little circle hole over there. Just like that. And then we have this piece over here, which is the same thing, except this one has the little straw opening. So I'm going to take the flaps, I'm going to bring them together, and this is way easier because it's that straw opening just makes it a lot easier. So with the flaps together like this, I'm just going to sort of squish it in place over here and pull it through just like that, as you can see, okay? And it went a little too far, so I'm going to pop it back up just like that. So I've popped it back up, and as you can see over here, I've now assembled the rubberized piece onto the sort of plastic spinning piece. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that piece in over here. So essentially you want to take these two little prongs right over here. You're going to squeeze them together and sort of push it in against it over here. So you're going to push it in against it and pop it back in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over here. I'm going to squeeze them together. Okay. I'm going to push it against the inner circle over there like this. And then I'm just going to apply a little downward pressure. It is basically in place. I just have to pop it down. There you go. And now, as you can see, we have assembled the Stanley Tumbler lid. And it works fine. And it's that easy to do. I just wanted to sort of share that with you in this tutorial video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. And hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, you will likely disassemble the lid in order to clean it and dry it and stuff like that, and then you can assemble it back and then get it working once again. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.